Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way to insert images like photographs into your Illustrator document. It's very easy to do that. If you come up here to the top screen to File menu and slide down to Place. Once I have done that, I can find the photograph that I want to put in here. My example is the pocket assignment in the pattern making class, where you need to actually find images of 3 different pocket styles that you will develop a pattern for. This way you have the pocket there to be looking at, and I can see what pattern you are trying to make. Now, I have selected the image. Down here are some options of how you want to place it in there. Your setup might already have link checkmarked, because that could be the default. If you link the file to your file, it keeps your file size smaller. But when you send or upload your Illustrator file to turn it in for your work, I will not be able to see the pictures because they are only linked and your pictures are still residing on your computer. They don't come with the file. But if you turn the check mark off on link, then you would be able, the pictures will come through with the file. But actually I'm going to go ahead and keep it on with link, and then we click place. Now I would rather that you just single click instead of click, hold, and drag. Single click puts the image in there as it's full size. All right. If it comes out as a size too large or too small for an actual pocket, once you draw your shape for the pocket, you can scale what you've drawn to be more correct for the right size inches for a pocket. But a placed linked image will always show up with this big X kind of mark through it when it's highlighted or selected. There you go, you can see it again. But I also have the option at this point to embed it. Embedding it will keep it with the file. That way when you turn in your work, I will be able to see the photographs that you use to make your patterns from. I need that. I need you to do that. But in the future, if you do not actually need the photographs to be passed on to someone, if you're doing some work, you can unembed the photograph. I'm not going to worry about doing that right now, but there is that. Let me delete that and show you one more time. If you come down to place, and I got to pick this one here. If you just uncheck mark link and place it, it's already set up for you. That's how you get your photographs in there so that they turn in with your file work.